Come on, you can do it. Give me a burp. You ready to smile? Oh my goodness.
This is so freaking cute.
Come on, love.
Yeah, work on that neck, kid.
I got her, honey.
I'm just saying.
Okay.
She's, yeah.
Okay. What you doing, love? Did you give us a little burpee? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, no, no. Come on, listen to the nice music. Oh, stretch it out and burp. No burp? Oh, no. Unhappy lady. Oh, such a happy lady. Say, Mama, I don't know why this matter. I can't make it burp. Oh, come on.
No.
Oh, my goodness.
She wasn't eating super fast or anything. She might not have.
What, honey?
She wasn't eating super fast. She might not really have any gas.
You have no burp for me?
Aww.
Oh. Here, which way you want to turn? You want to lay this way? Come here. Come here. Where did you lay it this way? Take the rag with you. Okay. You like the music? Happy baby. You're happy baby. Happy baby.
Whatever, Grandma.
Oh, come on, sweet love.
Oh.
Oh no. Do 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 do. And then find your thumb. Put your thumb here. Put your thumb. Oh, put your thumb in. Oh no. Oh, sweetness, don't cry. Oh.
Just lay on her stomach.
Oh, Baba. Should we do the, let's do the train ride? Do you need the train ride? Okay, hold on. Let me get you up. Let's get on Grandma's train. Put your arm down. Put your arm down. Come on.
Aww. Oh, I love you, sweetie. Aww. Mm-hmm.